Earnings were a pleasant surprise. You beat estimates. You raised guidance. And, this seems to be restoring some confidence in the health of the PC market. Are PCs all the way back? Do you potentially see even more upside?
Yeah, thank you, Emily. It's great to be with you. What a fantastic quarter for our client business. In a market where PCs, for the second quarter in a row, we've seen 1% to 2% growth, and our client business grew 16% in the quarter. So it's a testament to our team's ability to execute and deliver differentiated product for customers around the world, but particularly for our business customers. It's been a fantastic quarter for the team, which will be a fantastic year overall for our PC business. It's amazing what we're able to accomplish with a modest bit of growth in PCs. Real strong performance for us.
Do you think this kind of growth in the PC market is sustainable and will continue?
We've been through 6 years of roughly 5 to 6% unit decline per year. What we really think going forward is some stability in PCs. I don't believe we'll get back to accelerating growth rates, but real stability in the PCs and our ability to segment the market and sell up allows us to grow our revenue faster than unit volume. So it's been a pleasant surprise for us this year, and we're looking forward to stability in our PC business because the profitability we generate in a stable market is very powerful.
On the call, you mentioned you think you might feel some headwinds from the trade war in China. How much of a concern is this?
It remains to be seen. China's a really important market for us, Emily, and free trade is really important for our business, for our industry. So for us, we've really seen no impact as of yet, but this third wave of tariffs could begin to impact the cost of computers and for PCs. So what we've been doing with our very sophisticated global supply chain is working with our customers and our footprint around the globe to be in a position to mitigate the potential impact that any kind of tariffs could have on the demand for servers and PCs around the world.
Now, you've fallen behind Moore's Law with your forthcoming chip manufacturing technology, the 10-nanometer technology, and your competitors are right on your heels. The timeline has been delayed, and you've said that delayed timeline still stands. How concerned are you about the competition?
Well, I think what's most important for us and for our customers is product leadership. And product leadership is a function of architecture, design, packaging capabilities, and process leadership. And as we look through 2019, we believe we'll continue to have significant product leadership both on the PC side and on the server side. So the ability to get more and more performance out of the current 14-nanometer node and to expand the feature set enables us to go through 2019 with a great lineup of products across both of our businesses, but also the time to get our 10-nanometer process manufacturing up and running, so we'll have products on the shelf for the holiday season in 2019. So for us and for our customers, it's all about product leadership, and process leadership is a component of that. So we feel like we have a wonderful hand, and it's demonstrated by the results that we just posted. Emily, as you know, we just celebrated our 50th anniversary as a company in the third quarter, and so I think that's 200 quarters. Q3 was the best quarter in the history of Intel, and we see many more to come as we look forward in 2019 and beyond.
Your competitors, AMD and TI, have delivered bad news over the last few days, and there's been broader weakness in the chip industry. Does that weakness continue beyond Intel, especially as more and more customers start making their own chips?
Our focus has been on protecting our core CPU microprocessor business, but also expanding our horizon to play a much bigger role into the solutions and capabilities that we deliver for our customers. So we've seen real solid growth in our core CPU business. But don't forget the role that Intel is playing now in a much broader way. We have chips inside PCs. We have chips inside data centers. We have chips inside automobiles and autonomous driving. We have chips inside of retail stores. We have chips inside of factories. So we have chips inside of a much broader array of products and devices in the cloud and at the edge. And what that means for us is much, much larger overall TAM and much bigger prospects to grow. And our growth is not just about where chips are being deployed, but it's also about the other products that we've added into our portfolio, like artificial intelligence, FPGAs, our new Optane memory products. So how we bring this more diverse set of products together in a much bigger and expanding TAM is what's really been fueling the growth for the company through the course of this year, and we believe will continue to fuel the growth going forward in 19 and beyond.
Our Ian King has reported that the CEO search has narrowed to include several outside candidates, but as of early last month, the formal interview process had yet to start. When do we expect that to accelerate?
Well, this is, in our mind, this is the biggest, the best open job on the planet. So our board is being extremely diligent in evaluating both very competent internal and competent external candidates. And I think they're moving with a real sense of urgency, but not at the expense of quality. We have a wonderful open position, and I think the management team and 100,000 strong Intel employees are not being distracted by this interim period. We're extremely focused on delivering for our customers, and that gives the board the time to make sure they find the best candidate for the best open job on the planet. So we'll see how that plays out, but we won't get distracted in the interim.